to Western Springs College. We're a co-educational decile 8 school with 1,250 students. In the past few years, we've made some significant changes to our waste systems. The purpose of this video is to showcase the steps we have taken in our journey so far. It all started with some forward-thinking students who wanted to revamp our outdoor waste systems. They designed and manufactured 12 waste stations with 3 compartments: recycling, landfill and organic waste. The bins looked fantastic for a while. With time we realised that they were incredibly difficult to empty, clean and maintain. And we didn't yet have a system to cope with all the food waste we were creating, so that was still being sent to landfill. We needed some advice and some financial assistance.
Did you know that the government offers grants for waste minimisation programs? And they're actually not that difficult to get.
We got one!
But you have to have a goal. And we at Springs decided to set ourselves a really ambitious waste reduction target. In the space of 1 year, we aimed to cut our waste to landfill by 50%. We received a generous grant from the Waste Minimisation Fund. It was $55,000 to help us achieve our goal. So, how did we use our grant? We bought equipment, we brought in outside consultants, and we educated staff, students, and the wider community in what we were trying to achieve. And first things first, we upgraded our waste stations.
Here they are. They are visually appealing and functional. We have 36 of these stations, and they are literally around each and every corner. Green was selected as the colour for organic waste, red for landfill, the waste we needed to stop creating, and blue for recycling, just like at home. Students supported our quest for clear and relevant signage. Items displayed on the signs were chosen to reflect products sold in our canteen. And also products students most commonly brought from home.
Our ground staff were instrumental in designing the waste stations. They had to be secure while in use, yet easy to remove for emptying, cleaning and replacement if damaged. The next step was to make classrooms zero waste spaces. All general bins were removed and replaced with grey paper recycling cubes. Students adapted with ease, once they knew what to do with their tissues and pencil shavings. With a waste station in close proximity to each and every classroom, teachers and students popped their waste in the bins as they leave. Specialist areas and resource rooms were provided with a smaller bin that matched the waste station colours. Officers were provided with a small waste cube used to collect waste until our next coffee break. General bins were also removed from all kitchens and bathrooms and replaced with green bins to collect all food waste and hand towels.
Behind the scenes, ground staff and cleaners worked very hard to collect all the waste from the red, blue and green containers. Red waste was really easy to manage. Nothing much had changed. It was still destined for landfill, but there was a lot less of it. Blue waste still worked the same, being collected by council every 2 weeks. There was just so much more of it. It was green waste that was the problem. We still didn't have the infrastructure to manage this on site, so for a while we had our green waste collected at a minimal cost.
This allowed us time to carefully consider our options, either a TAT-G organic worm-driven system, bokashi bins or composting. In the end we've gone for the TAT-G system and the bokashi bins as our main source of green waste recycling. Now running a TAT-G is no easy task, but with ongoing support from EcoStock, our ground staff have been educated to run the system effectively and to troubleshoot when they need to. So what exactly is a TAT-G, worm-driven organic digester? Basically, the worms consume the food waste that a school generates in any 1 week, and you can imagine that's a fair bit of food. We mix that in with torn up paper that the food's been wrapped up in, and then the worms do the rest for us.
These are the worm castings. These are created from the worms breaking down all the school's food waste, lunch paper and cardboard waste. These worms break it all down to make it all plant available rich nutrients for the school's gardens. This product's great for growing healthy plants and vegetables. We will need to dilute it with lots of water.
EcoStock's support and ongoing commitment has enabled us to include a hands-on component into our Year 9 science program. Our students collect green waste, load the TAT-G system and use the Bokashi system to fertilise their veggie gardens. So, where are we up to? Have we achieved our ambitious waste reduction goal? We certainly have. In fact, we've reduced waste to landfill by 73% in just 9 months. As we look back on our journey, we are indeed very grateful for the financial support offered by the Ministry of the Environment and for the community partnership links that we've created with EcoStock. If you would like more information on the journey that we have taken, please see the links on our website.